Alright people, welcome back to the channel. It's time for a new pound cable. In today's video I'm going to make a review about the pound cable or the aging link cable for your original Xbox system. So with the original one, yes people, we're talking about the classic, the real deal, the real first one. So pound cable released number 2. I already make a review about the first version and yeah, the first version I just like it. It works fine, works like a charm. So what are we going to get? As you can see here, it's HD ready compatible with all modern televisions. This is very unique. This one doesn't need a power cable because all the other versions recommend a power cable. Plug and play. Alright, let's see what do we have here. It comes with this basic cable. Very smart. Here you can see that you're going to need to hold it for the camera. You're going to need to set the video settings. That is very important. Otherwise you don't have the very nice screen. So this is something I think you need to know. If you want to have the the best signal output, I think for all the PAL users in Europe, you're going to need to use a soft mod. Otherwise you cannot use 1080i. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, what we're going to get, I think it's not much. Plastic bag. The famous pound cable for the pound unit, the box with magic in it. I know. Little gnomes, there are little gnomes in here that are working. Yeah, for imagination. Alright, and a very long HDMI cable. People, let's hook it up, let's play some games and let's pound it in. Alright, the first game we're going to try out is 107 Ride or Die. Elgato sees this like in 480p 60 frames. When booting up the system it says 720, so in the game it's going to switch between resolutions. So this is more like let's say in game related. So you will never always have the 720p or 1080i. It's more depending what kind of game you're playing. It's having the 4:3 ratio. For the people just like this original ratio. And I can tell you it looks really smooth. Alright. And I must say it looks amazing. It looks amazing. Maybe I can adjust the widescreen if you like, if you go to the menu. Alright. Like in the manual, they are telling you that you need to go to the menu and set them on widescreen. But it's the same for the PlayStation 2. There's a separate option for that if you like. Oh. Funny thing is, this game you can play with your buddy. So your buddy is the guy who's shooting at your rivals, and you are just racing. I play this game a lot. It's a really fun game. Oh yeah, still got a shotgun. Oh, come close, come close. Oh yeah. Let's burn him down. It's really annoying. Alright people, for the final conclusion of the pound cable. You can buy a component cable if you like, but I think this is a really nice extra add-on to your classic Xbox. You can finally play through an HDMI connection. The signal output, what you see is what you're going to get. A lot of these games are just running on 480p. About the extra juice, you can give it to him, but for the performance, it doesn't influence the performance if you don't use one. This was my experiences. If you already have one, let me know what you think of this, or if you don't have one, let me know, would you even consider buying something like this? They are not cheap, that is true, but I think it's worth your money. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell, and check the gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.